The gloves are just covered in oil to catch on fire.
What's going on today, Ben? What are we doing?
Fixing exhaust.
I've given myself an allergy. Let's go.
It's herpes.
Adam, you want to explain real quick?
So we did what you're not supposed to do. We went into a fucking parking lot, and look what happened. It ripped my header in half, as you can see. So today we're like totally gonna try to like weld it a bit.
That's like so fire, dude.
So yeah, so and then we're gonna try to put the stock exhaust on, just like
HKS high power 4-inch for sale. You could have a package combo for $2,000. You could get clear bricks and a 4-inch HKS.
Meet me at that parking lot. Pull the lever, Gronk.
Connect.
Oh, it lines up mint. We need the paste. Adam, if you come from this side, then we can bend it into place on the other side. Like tack it on this side first.
We're gonna bend it in, man.
It's perfectly lined up right now.
Oh, it's too high. It's binding at the top.
No. It is good.
That's such a big gap. I can't fill that though.
No, go from right here. Tack it right there.
But it's binding at the top. That's the problem.
It's all.
So we lower this.
No, you're gonna ruin the whole thing, man. Just tack it.
All right.
Swelled it up, dude.
Watch your rectums.
You can get it on the studs, I can hang.
It's in the hell.
Oh no.
Maybe if we get this one on, it'll be easier.
You didn't have that one on before.
Have you awoken?
Hello. Yeah, you better put an exhaust on this thing. It sounds like shit.
Sounds pretty garbage.
I can hear it fucking coming all the way down the road.
Steamy pile of shit.
With the fucking automatic. Boo.
It's not automatic.
You drive it like it is. Why'd you just take the exhaust off?
It broke off.
Oh,
The header snapped in half.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah.
what happened last week?
Because I went into Toast Capital. Here, don't touch that because it's pretty hot, but that's where it snapped in half.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bad driving again.
Well, I went into a parking lot, which was dumb. And it was Noah's fault because he's like, you need to go in. And I was like,
Corey, that's always Noah's fault.
Always, every time.
pretty much.
It's too like.
Get rid of this big fucking can on the back, eh?
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's stinky.
Here.
What's this off of?
Can you push
My
up
Noah's
like?
car.
Huh?
Noah's car.
No wonder you have a bad back. Look at how fucking far back that seat is.
Yeah, it's fixed, so I can't.
Go slow.
Sounds like a sewing machine that's broken.
Give her a big juicy bozo.
That sounds sick. That sounds so sick.
Sounds terrible.
Summer.
Just scratches her
No talking about. Hello, Summer. What are you doing now? Because it's kind of like winter. Well, her name doesn't work now. Change it every season. Hi, Summer. Wow, she's very soft. Skills.
He's a good dog. Come on. Come on.
All right, put the stock exhaust on. Huge exhaust leaks as you want. It seems to be a bit higher up than the HKS, so it doesn't scrape as much. Disgusting, man. But yeah, so it also sits really catty-schwampus. Welded up the header, there's huge leaks in it. So there's lots of leaks up front, but it's pretty sick. That's where it looks straighter than it did.
Oh, never mind.
So funny.
Oh, Jason also said we can rent this for $70 a month for the new Moist Boy studio, so let us know if you can pour a concrete slab on the low. Yeah.
Start it up.
Don't hear some sick revs?
Yeah.
Oh, would you order pepperoni and cheese? Don't worry about it. Sick. I think it broke. And from all the other holes in the head.
All the way up to the top part of it, right?
Whatever, it's better than no, it's not.
Alright, what do you got to say about that?
I have to say, success. Sounds like shit, so that's the lesser successful part of it, I guess. But yeah, kind of stoked because I can actually drive it. It's not cocked now. Also feels like we gained some HPs off the old exhaust piper there. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty dank mod. What do you say, Ben? Dank mod?
Looks pretty good. Like stock.
Bye.
You have a question for the people?
Oh, you want me to ask a question
Yeah.
to like end the video?
Sure.
I always think. But like, is it a question? Like, can I ask like them a question that to answer like a scientific question, or is it like
Yeah,
they have
whatever
to,
you
like
want.
a preference?
No, whatever you want. You pick.
If you had to make a house out of a material, what material would you make it out of?
Used condoms.